Welcome everyone to Pen Shop Chanyo Family in Manila! I am your host for tonight, guys. My name is Corinne Kim. And with us tonight, ang napaka-espesyal, ang talaga namang hinihintay ninyong lahat, ang bubuo ng Pasko nyo, ang nag-iisang Pop Chanyo! 안녕하세요, 정민 씨.
안녕하세요.
Yes, it's a pleasure having you here. Please greet your fans who are with us here today.
Mabuhay Philippines! Long time no see. I'm Chanel. Good to see you again.
So, ang tanong ko sa inyo lahat, na-enjoy niyo ba yung performance? Parang hindi naman na-enjoy niyo ba yung performance? Right, umpisa pa lang yan. Intro pa lang yan. Marami pa tayong aabangan. And I can see that the fans absolutely did enjoy nothing. At talaga naman napakahusay ni Chan. Isang Pop Chanyo yun. Napakahusay. And you guys can wait and get ready for more dahil marami po tayong pasabog!